Hey everyone, welcome to Earthling Cooks. Today we're going to be making some shrimp scampi. Now this is super simple, very quick to make, and super tasty. So we're going to start out with about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm actually using avocado oil, but you can use olive oil. About 2 tablespoons. I already have my stove on to a medium-low heat. Now we'll go ahead and throw in our butter. Once our butter's getting pretty much in there, we can throw in our garlic pretty soon here. About 4 cloves of garlic. You can use pretty much as much or little as you want. I like it pretty garlicky. And we're gonna just cook this for a couple minutes. Like about a minute, just to get the garlic and everything kind of cooked up and mixed in. Now we can throw in our shrimp. You want this around a medium heat now. I kept it a little lower at the beginning to not burn the butter. We're going to cook these about 2 to 3 minutes before we add in the next ingredient. It's been about a minute and a half and we're starting to get color now, so we're going to go ahead and flip them. Now these cook very quick, so now once we flip these, they're going to almost be done. So once we get them all flipped, we're just going to give them a couple seconds to cook that other side before we start throwing in everything else. So just a couple seconds here. These are pretty much done. We don't want to overdo them. So now we're going to go ahead and throw in some wine, or you could use broth. But we'll throw in about half a cup of white wine. We're also going to throw in some lemon juice, about a half a lemon to a lemon, depending how lemony you want it. And we can also throw in just a little bit salt and pepper. I just put them directly over the shrimp, but they will end up mixing in. And then we're going to add in just a pinch of red pepper flakes. And about a tablespoon of heavy cream. Now we're going to let this get to a simmer. And it'll reduce down a little bit. All the flavors will mix together. And then we'll be done. And then to finish this dish, you can just put it in a bowl and put some sauce over it. But I'm going to make this a little pasta dish. Put this over my cooked pasta over here. And I'm just going to let the sauce keep going for another minute. And then we'll pour it over the pasta. And here's almost our final product. You can see here we got about 3/4 of a cup of liquid. This will be good for a few dishes, even if I made more shrimp. So we'll just go ahead and get that sauce over everything. And then to finish it off, just throw in some parsley. And there we go, shrimp scampi at home in just a few minutes, really. Probably about 5 minutes from start to finish. Super good, super tasty. Have any questions, let me know. We'll see y'all later.